Hello, welcome to my tutorials once again. So this is BECE 2024 question 1C, and this question is on magic square. Today I'm going to take you through how to solve questions on magic square. So the question says copy and complete the 3 by 3 magic square such that the sum of the numbers in each row, column, and diagonal is equal to 21. So we should copy and complete. So this makes our work very easy. So let's recopy the table and let's now complete this table. So sometimes the numbers will be given to you, or all the digits you are supposed to use will be given to you. And other times too, you'll be given only the median. You'll not be given the sum of the diagonals, the columns, and the rows, and you be able to do that. Now let me tell you a trick. So to find the sum of the diagonals, column, and row, usually this is a 3 by 3 magic square. Just multiply the center number here, which is 7, by 3 and get 21. So assuming the center were to be 5 times 3 will be 15. If it is 8 times 3 will be 24. And so that is how we come about the sum. And the 7 over there is telling us that when you take a set of consecutive natural numbers and you arrange them in either ascending or descending order, their median will be 7. So if the median will be 7, you put that 7 in the middle, and then the other numbers around it, you take them in pairs, the outer ones, so the first and the last, you put them together with the median, and then you will get what? The required sum that you need. But in this case, they say we should go ahead and then complete the table. Two best information has already been provided, which makes the work very easier. I'm talking about the 10 that has been given and the 3 that has been given. This is a trick most people do not know, and I know most students also find it very difficult to get. Now, if the number in the middle or the median, which is at the center, is odd, then the corners should be even. So it should be surrounded by even numbers in the corners. And the immediate middle numbers around it in the form of cross or plus should also be odd. The reverse is true. That is, if the number in the middle is even, then the immediate numbers surrounding it, up, down, left, right, should also be even. And then the corners, the extreme corners, should be odd. So upon getting to know this, you are good to go. So let's move on and then work. So now let's take the first row where we have 10, 3. So 10 plus 3 gives us what? 13. What do we add to 13 to get 21? And I think that is 8. So we write 8 here. Now let's take this vertical one. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 plus what will give us 21, and that is 11. Then let's take this diagonal. So we have 8 plus 7, which is 15. 15 plus what will give us 21, and it's 6. Now we can add this. 6 plus 10 is 16. 16 plus what will give us 21, and it is 5. Now 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 from 21 is 9. And let's take this. 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 4 will give us 21. So let's test this. This plus this is 11. 11 plus 10 will give us 21. This plus this is 10. 10 plus 11 is 21. So we are done solving this question. Now what I was trying to say earlier is that, so if you have 7 as the middle number, then the numbers, we are looking for 9 numbers. So there should be 4 numbers to the right and to the left of 7. So this place should be 6. Then this place should be 8. This side will also be 5. Then this side will also be 9. And this side will be 4. This side will be 10. This side will be 3. And this side will be 11. Let's see something. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 digits here. And 7 is the median. So that was what I was saying, that if the question had given you all the 9 digits and they asked you to arrange them such that the diagonals, the column, and the row is equal to 21, then what we need to do is you find the median, put it in the middle, like as we have 7 over here. Then you would multiply it by 3 and get the sum of the diagonals, rows, and then the column. Then you start working towards it. And don't forget what I told you earlier. When the number in the middle here, so if the median is odd, then the corners should be even, and the immediate band neighbors around it should also be odd. Now, if you reverse this, you are going to suffer a lot. You can't make this puzzle, you can't fix it. So you can try yourself and try to exchange the position of the initial digits that have been given, the 10 and the 3, and do it, and let's see if you will get it. It's going to be very tough. Now, this is how we solve the question. Since the question says copy and complete this magic square, all you have to do is what we have done now. There's no need to even write all this under it. All we need is the table you have drawn with the figures in there, and we are good to go. Thank you for staying with me. If you really like this video, like it, share with your friends, and subscribe or follow me on all my social media handles. Recommend this video to a friend, a son or a daughter, or anybody who may need it. Thank you very much for staying with me. See you next time. Bye bye.